Folks be like, oh, do you take people out? So finally Doug asked him, no, we don't, but how much would you pay for something like that?
And it was then that Rachel Stevens and her husband Doug combined their love of riding horses and their deep interest in the Battle of Gettysburg into a reality, now called Gettysburg Horse Tours. Stevens says getting to see the battlegrounds on horseback is an experience that can deepen your knowledge of why the battles were fought certain ways.
You have the guide out there telling them, what was happening right over the land that they're riding through. You can see people kind of do the, oh, okay, that makes sense now.
My photographer Gary and I saddled up for a 2-hour tour, gaining insight into the war plans of George Meade and Robert E. Lee from a licensed tour guide, all of whom know the battles like the back of their hand. And Stevens says not to worry about the horses. They get more time off than the humans do.
The horses get a break at least 1 hour between each tour, and they do no more than 6 hours a day. We rotate which horses come out, so no horses doing more than 3 days in a row.
Aside from garnering a little more knowledge, winding through the fields and forests of Gettysburg on horseback is a treat in itself for both tour goers and the Stevens family.
We've definitely learned more. I don't know if our appreciation's any deeper, because that was always there, but the knowledge, may I help you, has definitely grown since we've been here.